Hi guys, I'm Shilpa. Welcome to my channel. Just give me a second. I'm excited about this video and my hair is lopsided. My bun is lopsided. Hold on. And this is me at home like the way I usually am. No makeup, no anything. I want to shoot this when I'm excited. These goodies came in yesterday when I was at work. And I came home and I was so happy to open these all up, and I just waited for daylight, you know, to shoot this video. Max is going crazy, and I wanted to shoot this video because then once I open, you know, there's something which I've got from my mom also. This bag my mom made, by the way. Isn't it pretty? She makes me all kinds of bags. Now I want to say kinds, and then comes in sorts, and the kind sorts become this is what happens to me. Like, I get so overexcited maybe that I'm doing a video and then okay, anyways, let's open this bag up. Seriously, I'm okay. So this is from AliExpress, and you know what I'll do, I'll link the price up here because right now I don't remember all the prices of all the stuff. So this is from AliExpress. This is a beauty sponge. I had bought one earlier also and I really liked it. It's nice and soft. So this is what I got. I start with my sponge. I love the color. Oh, alright. Okay. And let's see what else. Ooh, eyelashes. So I can put the price in here. They're all Mink lashes. I wanted simple ones too. I'll probably order them today. Anyways, what comes next is this toning skin thingy from AliExpress, and I wanted this for a particular makeup look, so I ordered this. It's really neat. Let me show you what it does to your skin. You have to see this. This is for a look, and I need it right. Okay, it is a bit of an issue. So hold on. Okay. Sorry about that. So here it is. And this product you just spread over your face, and you can see, like I said, my videos and my video tutorials, or whatever you call them, are about different kind of looks. So my foundation and shade ranges are going to be like from all sorts of colors. I am going to try different kind of looks. So yeah, so there's a slight, very slight change, and which is a very natural change, as you can see. If I apply more, this is good, and you can see my skin on my face. The skin on my face is like a lot lighter than my hand, but still it's nice. Okay, so now enough with that. Oh, and okay, then I'm done with it. What else? Oh yeah, in this cute little brush, which I think I'm going to use, which got dog hair on it already. No, it's not dog hair. It's one big long hair. Anyways, so this is the other thing that I got, and I want to try out one before I order a whole set, and that's for my face. I'm not putting it on my face right now. This is a glitter that I got. And guys, it shines. Oh my god, it is so pretty. Let me show you. I have to show you. It is a bit patchy though, but you can work with it. For the price, it's like good. And I had bought another gold one which I seem to have misplaced. I don't know how I could do that. Or probably only I can do that. Huh. Alright. And next is this. I'm not opening up this package because I want to give it to my mom, but this is for the eyebrows. And it's pretty nice. It's the color. It's pretty nice. It's the color my mom wanted and I got it. I love AliExpress. And probably I'm going to do a video with AliExpress makeup. And it's really good, guys. Like seriously. I love Korean makeup. I'm so enamored and I'm so happy with AliExpress, really. This is a BB cream. Again, it's whitening. I'm so sorry. Let me do this on, I'm so sorry because there's such a lot of drama going on with this whitening and darkening and shades and foundation stuff. I don't know why is it like this. Why don't people want to leave other people alone and let them be what they want? Now, for me, I am a person who's very confident in my skin. I have no problem. But then I want to try different looks. But right now, there is a product in my hand which kind of helps me whiten my face. Now, I don't know if it's whitening my face. Okay, then I'll say brightening. It'll help me brighten my face. But is it all about words? No, it's not. It's about your attitude, and you must allow people to have their own attitudes and allow them to grow. Because there are certain times, if you don't go to a certain step, you can't go. What am I talking about? Okay. So this is the product. Let me just do my nose for you, or maybe one side. Should I do it with a sponge? No, I won't do it with a sponge now. So I'm going to do one side. Okay. Can you tell the difference? I don't know, when I see it on my big screen, I'll know the difference. So this is a BB cream, which is really nice, and it looks like it's complementary to my skin. So yeah, this is it. This is what I have on my face right now. Can you see it? Can you see it? I can't see anything, which means it's good. I don't know. I have still to play around with it. I'm just showing you what I bought. Okay. And what else? What else? What else? There was another, like I said, I mentioned earlier. It's gone. And then I have this. This is from Nykaa now. This is Miss Claire's eyeshadow palette. I wanted a peach eyeshadow and I googled it, and then I came across this palette. I absolutely I went like, what? Wow. And here it is. I'll show you the palette because I'll be doing a review on this anyways because I fell in love with it. I also tried it out, but look at these colors, guys. And I am very impressed. I am very impressed. For 400 bucks or something like that, like I said, I'll mention it somewhere on the screen. This is, I'm going to say it, a bomb. It's awesome. I'll do a review on this also. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. I love Miss Claire. Oh yeah, there's one more thing which I've left in the other one. Hold on, I'll get that also. Since we are talking about Miss Claire, apparently it was lying next to me. Alright, so this is a shade. This is a blush on. It's like a big, huge blush on, and again, it's from Miss Claire. It's awesome, guys. It's awesome. I mean, I would have shown you, but then I want to do a review on this. So, but I'm just telling you, this is what I got. Then, this is what came in. I'll probably name it haul of the week. Okay, this is the Makeup Revolution stick, and I've tried it on yesterday, and after this I'm going to be trying it on, and then afterwards I'll be doing a review, because I believe that, you know, it's better to use the product, see how it feels, instead of going right in front of the camera in doing it and then finding faults with it, and afterwards thinking, oh shit, no, this is shit, oops. Okay. And say that, oh my gosh, you know, I am goofed up. One thing I don't like to do is eat my own words. So I'm careful with what I say. I may fumble, I may stumble, but I'm still careful with what I say. And then this is finally the last thing, that's a concealer, Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. And I've obviously got the wrong shades on purpose. Again, I bought this because I want to try out a different company, and I want to try out different shades on my skin for different looks, in how I can play with these colors. Guys, for me, cosmetics is all about colors. If it pops out at me, I want it, and I want it, and I want to see what it can, what I can do with it. You know, it's just like wanting white paint, black paint. You know, you need to have a white and black paint, guys, if you want to give definition to any of your paintings. Can you imagine doing a painting without white and black? Can you? No. And that's why I need all different kinds of shade, ranging from the lightest to the deepest, and so that I can just see what I can do with my face, and how I can kind of create good makeup looks with it. So yeah, this is about it. These are the things which came in this week. I'm trying to think. Like I said, that I have this gold also, but I am a doofus, which I'm going to say, and I'm holding it the other way. See, I told you, I am so clumsy. Even at this age, and which is completely okay by me, really. I don't have any problem with that. But then, it's funny that my clumsiness is coming across in my videos, which is actually not a problem for me, because I want to show myself as a way. I'm hoping that I'm able to do that, because no matter what, when you come in front of the camera, you are like, you are conscious, and you are on your best behavior. I also want to be on my best behavior, but not like I'm going on a rant again. So I'm going off now. See, when I want to start off well, I don't, but in the end, you can't stop me. I'll have to edit this video so many places, in so many places. Bye. Do like this video if you did, and subscribe to my channel for more videos on whatever I keep on doing, and if the subject matter interests you. Until then, have a great day. Bye-bye.